Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in profit and loss. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Please go through the problem first. Friends, say the cost price of watch for A, say 100 rupees. Friends, A sold the watch to B at 20% profit. So, the sold price of the watch is 120 rupees. This 120 is the cost price of B. Friends, B sold the watch to C at 30% profit. Friends, 30% of 120, 36 rupees. 120 plus 36, 156. So, B sold the watch to C for rupees 156. This 156 is the cost price for C. And C sold the watch to D at 10% loss. Friends, 10% of 156 is 15.60. That means that comes to 140 rupees 40 paise. 140 rupees 40 paise. This 140 40 paise is the selling price for C and cost price for D. Friends, now B's profit is equal to 156 minus 120, 36. A's profit 120 minus 100, 20. So B's profit is 16 rupees more than A's profit. But it is given that B's profit is 80 rupees more than A's profit. It is given that B's profit is 80 rupees more than A's profit. That is 5 times of 16. 5 times of 16. So all these prices must be multiplied by 5 to get the actual prices. These are assumed prices. We assumed cost price of A 100 rupees. So by multiplying these assumed prices by 5, we get the actual prices. So the actual cost price of D, is 140 rupees 40 paise into 5 times. 140 is 700, 540 is 2 rupees. So 702 rupees is your answer, friends. In the same way, the cost price for A 500, the cost price for B 120 is 600, and the cost price for C 156 is 750 plus 30 780. So we can find the cost price of any of these 4 persons. Thank you.